I ask myself, what is the source that makes me react fearfully to what is coming at me from the external world? Consider the source, always. Are you going to trust what the television is going to tell you? Are you going to trust that they're pumping fear nonstop into you, that they are trustworthy, that they are worthy of your trust? Cut them off. Cut it out. Don't. Shut the TV off and listen to some good music. Get into a different space. Don't insist on having that propaganda and that fear porn pumped at you 24 hours a day. Of course you're going to have detrimental results with that. Consider the source. You are a powerful human being. You don't even know how powerful you are. You have never come into your power because you have always focused on the external world and the information you get from the external world coming at you. And it's coming at you so fast, you can't deal with all the stuff. It's going to mess you up. You haven't got the time to sort it all out and make sense of it, and that's what they're counting on. They're pumping this stuff at you so fast, so quickly, that it scrambles you. You don't know what to do with all of this information. We're in information overload. So recognize that. Calm yourself, pour yourself a glass of wine, shut the television off, put on your headphones or whatever and listen to some good music and just relax. Just do something that will make you feel good. Get away from the fear porn, the nonstop fear porn. You have to do that for yourself. Somebody else can't do that for you. Recognize that the most important thing is recognize that there are forces coming at you who want to keep you in fear. And they're succeeding if you let them. Don't let them. I smile. This is the best time of my life. I can work out back, make OGs. I listen to my classical music as I'm making this. The sun is shining. I'm healthy. I eat good food. What could be better? I'm not into fear. I see the rest of the people who are fearful and who believe what they see on CNN and what the talking heads are telling them, but I'm completely devoid of being influenced by that. I choose not to. You are the choices. At any moment in your life, you are the sum total of the choices that you've made. So make some good choices. Make some choices that make you feel good. Don't worry about, you have no control over those. You have control over yourself, but you have no control over everybody who's pumping stuff at you. So take control of your power. It's inside you.